The Ministry of External Affairs on Friday strongly rejected Bangladesh's comment regarding the recent communal violence in West Bengal's Murshidabad district, urging the neighboring country to instead addressing the persecution of minorities within its own borders. Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement that we reject the remarks made by the Bangladesh side with regards to the incident in West Bengal. This is a barely disguised and disingenuous attempt to draw a parallel with India's concern over the ongoing persecution of minorities in Bangladesh, where the criminal perpetrators of such act continue to roam free. It added, instead of making unwarranted comments on indulging in virtue signaling, Bangladesh would do better to focus on protecting the rights of its own minorities. India's response came after Bangladesh Chief Advisor's Press Secretary Shafiqul Alam called on India to fully protect its Muslim minority population. Alam had also denied any Bangladeshi involvement in Murshidabad violence through a statement to local media. He told local daily that we strongly refute any attempts to implicate Bangladesh in the communal violence in Murshidabad. The violence which erupted on April 11 during protests against the Waqf Amendment Act claimed 3 lives and left several others injured. The unrest also resulted in significant property damage and forced many families to flee, with some seeking refuge in Jharkhand's Pakur district, while others moved to relief camps in Malda. The Calcutta High Court has ordered the continued deployment of central forces in Murshidabad to maintain law and order. The court, which will monitor the rehabilitation of victims, has also directed officials from political parties, including the BJP and TMC, to refrain from making inflammatory speeches that could worsen the situation.